Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with a new DeepSeek AI app. So it's a trending intelligent assistant similar to ChatGPT and it's making waves right now. So let's dive into it now. So no matter what devices you are using, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, you just need to get into the App Store or the Play Store. You need to go ahead and search for DeepSeek, all one word. And this is the app which you're looking for. It has a whale icon, so go ahead and tap on Get or Download, and this will start installing it right away on your phone. Now, once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. The first screen which you'll see is a user agreement screen, so go ahead and tap Agree to continue. Now, on this screen, you'll need to sign up. So there are a few ways to do it. You can use your email address or your phone number, or you can sign in with your Google account or your Apple account. So let's go ahead and tap on sign up. And let's go ahead and type in our email address, type in a password, tap send code. This will send a verification code to your email address. Go ahead and complete this CAPTCHA form. Now, once you've entered your details, tap create account and that's it, you're logged in. So now since we're inside, let's take a tour. So the interface is very similar to ChatGPT. So you have this main area here. This is where you type your prompts. Then you have your 3 lines or your 2 lines at the top left, which lets you access previous conversation. And then the plus sign here will let you create new chats with the DeepSeek AI. So let's just try it as an example. So as you can see, it's quickly processing my request and it's providing me with the answer. Now down below here, you can see some unique features. So this is the DeepThink R1. So this is a premium version with advanced capabilities. You can do an internet search as well. So you can search online directly within the app. If you tap on the plus sign, you can take a picture, you can upload a picture, and you can attach a document. The only document which you can attach right now is the PDF format. I've tried documents from Word. It's not accepting it. So just be aware of that. All of these features are still new, so the accuracy might vary, but it's still promising though. Now let's look at the settings for this app. So if you tap on these 2 lines here, the top left, then tap on your email address at the bottom left. Now from here, this is your setting menu. So here you can change the language preferences, you can adjust themes, colors, you can manage the privacy settings, and you can delete the chat history, or if you want to delete your account, you can do this from here. So this is all what we can do from the app. So there you go, guys. That is how to get started with the DeepSeek AI app. It's a powerful tool with a lot of potentials. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.